loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a tutorial and review on the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I actually picked this palette up a few weeks ago because I had I wanted the palette, but I had a beautiful New Year's Eve inspired look that I wanted to do, but I have been having some technical difficulties with my computer. So if I'm not able to get it up on New Year's Eve and you're seeing this tomorrow, Happy New Year, and I hope you and whoever you spent your New Year's Eve with, whether it be your family, friends, or both, I hope you all had an amazing time watching the ball drop if you were able to. Alright, let me give you a close-up of the makeup. This is the look that I came up with. And I wanted to do this look because this look was not only inspired by New Year's Eve, it was also inspired by my nails. And in regards to this set of nails, I filmed a nail tutorial and the quality came out shit. I uploaded it to YouTube and I was like, what the fuck is this? What is this? And I worked so hard. But I do have pictures, so I will include them at the end of this video to give you loves an up-close look because they came out so pretty. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. I will break down all of the important information in the next few clips. Then we'll jump right into the tutorial and I will come back with my review. I purchased the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Eyeshadow Palette on Macy's.com for $49. The palette comes with a how-to glamour guide complete with 3 tutorials to give you an idea of some different makeup looks you can create using it. And this is what the palette looks like. I love the design of it. It's so pretty. The Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette comes with 16 eyeshadows, 12 of them being shimmer metallic shades and the other 4 being matte. I'm starting off the eye look by blending Cocoa Truffle in and above my crease with the Babyllian Crease Brush. I'm priming my lid with the E.L.F. eyeshadow primer in Sheer. Taking my AOA E112, I am placing the shade Decadent, which is a very rich black shadow, on the outer portion of my lid. For the inner portion of my lid, I'm applying the shade Dripping Diamonds using my AOA E122. I did spray some of my Magic Collection Rose Water to intensify the pigment. I'm highlighting my brow bone with a mixture of So Bougie and Rolling in Dough using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I'm applying Live in Lavish to my lower lash line with the AOA E115. This shade has to be my favorite in the palette, a beautiful deep purple. I'm applying a coat of Maybelline The Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara to my lower lashes. Now I'm lining my waterline with the Milani Supreme Kohl Kajal in Blackest Black. To complete the eye look, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the shade Rich Girl using my E.L.F. Small Smudge Brush. I'm using my AOA Studio F19 brush to highlight my cheekbones with the Just Color Pro Glow Baked Bronzer in the shade Candy Crush. For blush, I'm applying the L'Oreal True Match Blush in the shade Spiced Plum using my Real Techniques mini contour brush. Before I apply my lip color, I am moisturizing my lips with the Watermark Beauty Butterfly Kiss Candy Lip Balm. This stuff tastes and smells so good. For my lip color, I chose the Nicka K Lip Shine Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bossa Nova because I thought with the purple underneath my eyes, this lipstick would look really pretty. I wanted my lips to have a glossy finish, and since that Nicka K lipstick dries down matte, I'm going over it with the AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss in the shade Gypsy, and I will be doing a swatch and review video on these glosses soon. I'm setting my face with the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Matte Setting Spray. Alright loves, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I know I had a lot of fun creating this look. I really like this look, it's so pretty. Okay, time for my final thoughts on the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I absolutely love this palette. I do own the original Chocolate Bar palette. I love that one too. I really love this one because of all the sparkly shades in it. All of these shades are beautiful. And I also like how they threw in a few mattes as well to help you make, you know, a cohesive eye look. For $49, it's Too Faced, but for $49, I think this is an amazing deal. I love this palette. And it smells like chocolate. Yes, I love this palette, and I recommend that if you're a fan of Too Faced, you probably already got your hands on this palette. If not, if you're a fan of not only color, but sparkles, I recommend this palette. If you're really into golds, bronzes, and browns, I recommend this palette. If you like doing neutral eyes, I know it's shimmery, but if you like doing like neutral eye looks and you want to add a pop of color, I recommend this palette because, as you can see from these shades, you have a lot of different options. So yeah, those are my final thoughts on the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I hope you loves enjoyed this video. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description, and until next time, bye loves!